A woman clings to life and her rescuer after surviving a building collapsing around her. Moments later, a child is pulled from beneath the rubble. Friends, family, and neighbors must rely on one another for survival. Following the 7.2 magnitude earthquake, homes and businesses were devastated by bricks and dust. It serves as a reminder that man's efforts are powerless in the face of nature's might. The full amount of the damage has yet to be determined. At a press conference, the head of Haiti's Civil Protection Department said, "Couldn't say how many individuals were killed tonight. More than 200 people are thought to have died." The earthquake's epicenter is about 80 miles west of the capital, Port-au-Prince. However, the fact that the entire country has been declared a disaster would evoke memories of the earthquake for some Haitians. Returning 11 years ago, an estimated 250,000 people were killed, and the scars that the earthquake inflicted on Haiti is still visible. Once again, a quick earthquake has caused damage that will take years to recover.